I'm going to talk about pulling the seals. This is a very simple technique, but a very powerful technique, and I can guarantee you that only a fraction of a percent of people know how to do this or have even seen this done and know how easy and helpful this technique is. I will say it's helpful if you carry a small flashlight with you. I always carry one of these with me. Every time I appraise a car, I've always got a flashlight on me. It will help even if it's daytime when you do this. It helps in the shadows of the car. All right, so when we're assessing a car, we want to know the value of the car. We want to know if this car has been in a previous accident. We want to know if it's had repairs done. We want to know if the frame of the vehicle has been re-welded. One of the most important things to do is to look at the seams of the vehicle, the factory welds of the vehicle, to see where the vehicle was put together. So I'm standing right now at the driver front door of the car. I'm looking at the B pillar of the car. Now if you look here, you see there's a seal that goes all the way around the door edge, and this is typical of almost every vehicle on the road. There's a seal. Now these seals are actually very easy to pull back, and when you pull the seal back, you'll be able to see the factory weld of where the car is put together. Now why is this important? If this car had been in a major collision, maybe it had been T-boned, hit hard in the side, the doors smashed, this area of the car might be smashed, and they would have to replace it and re-weld it. But in doing so, you're going to be altering the structure of the vehicle. You're not going to know if those re-welds are going to perform the same way that the original factory welds would have. You don't know if you have a safe vehicle or not. So we want to know if we have original factory welds, we have an undamaged, unrepaired pillar, or if it has been repaired. So what I'm going to do is just grab this seal with my fingers, and I'm just going to pull it back, and it'll slide right off. All right, now we want to zoom in and look really close at these little welds. You see they're little circular welds. This is how they look from the factory. They're very beautiful. They're very round. You have factory paint going all around here. There are no burn marks. Everything looks very beautiful and perfect. Those are factory welds. Now we also want to look on the back side so you can see if they look original and factory on the back side. So this car has original factory welds. Nothing's been repaired or re-welded. So that's a good sign. Now the seal, you'll find, it just goes right back on there. You literally just slip it on. It's almost as easy as slipping a sock on your foot, something like that. They just slide right on there, and that's it. It's good to go, just like that. We're going to do the same thing all the way around the car. We're going to pull the seals on every door. So this is a 4-door car, front door on this side, rear door, same thing on the passenger side. And we're also going to find these seals on the trunk. So when we go back to the trunk, same thing. You can pull the seals off. You can look at the welds and see if they're factory or not. Very simple. Try it.